Tip for people who live in San Elijo. Auto repair shops near San Elijo see a lot of brake jobs coming through their doors. Let me tell you why. See, if you bought a 2026 vehicle today, you shouldn't do a brake job probably till 2031, 32. That's 5 years. Brake pads should last a minimum 4 to 5 years. Minimum. And I'll tell you what's the problem with San Elijo. We leave to work in the morning and we're just a little in a hurry. So we're driving fast downhill, which means most of us towards the midpoint down that hill, we start braking because we're going fast. Or I want to say about 50% of the time we're braking down that hill. We are coming down that hill so fast that the last half we're just constantly braking and riding that brake. What ends up happening is we start overheating our rotors. In our industry, it's called warping the rotor, creating heat spots. So those are two things that are happening. One, you're just wearing out your brake pad by constantly braking down that hill. Two, you're overheating the rotor, so when you do need a brake job, you have to replace the brake pad and the rotor. The San Elijo Hill coming down on Twin Oaks is the problem. So a tip for people who live in San Elijo, take it easy coming down that hill. It'll save you time and money. Thank you for joining me in my morning coffee.